Okay, love bugs, are we feeling the blonde? I know it's a bit daring, but I love it. Today I've teamed up with Remyfortehair. They sent over this beautiful blonde highlight lace wig. We have some 613 in there. We also have the P12 combo. So you get the really bleach blonde, and then you have a little bit of that warmness in there that warms it up. No dark root today, so we really went in and we made it look amazing. This is gonna be a no baby hair, straight out of the box install. This right here was the GOAT. You guys know sometimes it is hard to get the lace to not be orange when it comes to blonde, and this here did it for me. Literally simple and easy. In fact, it also warmed up the hairline really nicely, which gave me the confidence to go without any baby hair. I'm gonna jump into the install. It's super simple, easy, 10 minutes max and you're out the door. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, welcome back. We almost had a malfunction. My trusted, tried and true ring light gave out. Now luckily I had bought one originally for my downstairs as well. It ended up collecting dust in the garage because I was thinking, oh, I'm going to be able to film content downstairs and upstairs, and I never really filmed downstairs. So luckily I had a backup. Now I gotta buy a new backup because the OG backup, which has lasted me for like 2 or 3 years, has had a shortage in the cord and gave out. So rest in peace to that one. Today we are going blonde. I've got my Beyonce t-shirt on, and I feel like it's gonna give a vibe with this hair. Now this one is a 26-inch 13 by 4. It's P12 613. I believe that is the color combo. If I'm saying it wrong, I will go ahead and correct it in the description box. This is from Remyfortehair. I'm pretty sure y'all seen this in the title in the intro. This is the packaging. I love this cute little box. It's very like retro. And then inside they did give us a pack of wig caps as well as some, I'm all over the place, I just got back home really quickly, but as well as some wig tape. So you'll be able to put this on to bond the wig down. Today we're gonna go for a glueless install, so let's go ahead and check her out. This is the wig straight out of the box. So I'm a little bit nervous because, you know, this is very blonde, no dark highlights, 26 inches in length. It's super long, so I think it's gonna come out gorgeous, but you definitely have to be careful with the hairline and tinting the lace. So that is gonna be the challenge for today. This is what the roots or the parting looks like, as well as, you know, a good texture shot of the hair. Here is a look at the inside construction of the cap. As I mentioned, you have 4 inches of parting space going down, 13 going across, and that's what makes it a 13 by 4. They included this elastic band, which is adjustable, and it gives the blonde vibe. So if your elastic band somehow slips or whatever the case may be, everything is blending and cohesive as it should be. We got the adjustable straps in the back, as well as a comb, as well as some excess lace. So if you want to, you know, like bond yours down, they give you that option. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off this excess lace and adjust the strap, put her on, and we'll begin the install process. Okay, so I almost forgot that I am doing a talk through video for you guys. So this is the hair and kind of a look at the length. Let's kind of look at it from the back. Let's go ahead and get to work. I'm going to take some clips, pull the hair back, twist, and lock that in. Back, twist, and lock that in. Now the hair is out of our face, and we can go ahead and do the install process. I'm not going to pluck or tweeze. I feel like with blonde hair, you definitely can pluck and tweeze, but sometimes like you really can't tell if you did or not. So let's go ahead and just cut off the excess lace and bond it down, and then we'll decide if we want to do baby hair or if we want to keep it no baby hair. Okay, so we already seated. This one here is blonde. We have darker sideburns, so you can definitely pull some hair forward to cover that. And then in order for it to fit me perfectly, there's this little piece of hair that usually I'll have to cut out. That way I can perfectly let the wig hug around my ear. And then that works out perfect, and we do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay, let's go ahead and bond it down. We're gonna go for a non-glue adhesive. You guys know the Bedeck is my favorite. And from here, we can just pull the hair back. We're gonna bond it down and decide if we're going for baby hair or not. Then of course I will melt it down after we take care of the hairline. Also, when using a spray, you will find that sometimes you will get a little bit of that product like on your skin in front of the lace. I recommend using like a towel or something to clean that off so that you don't have to worry about just having that messiness, because it'll get sticky and it'll dry and it'll have that dry sticky look. And sometimes if I feel like I didn't get enough, I'll go in and then cover it and like let it soak into the lace and then go in a second time and press it in. And because this is the sideburns, it's a little bit different than the top. Although this one fits snug, I want the sideburns to really hold. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry this part immediately. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. I kind of sort of want to try and do a no baby hair look just because I always do baby hair. Also, I'm going to go ahead and do the dynamic duo simultaneously. And then I don't really want like slick down sideburns. I just want the sideburns to cover my natural black hair. Okay, so I brought you guys up closer so you guys can see how it looks with no baby hair. Of course, we can go ahead and trim these down. And kind of just like when I straighten, I'm going to bump them a little bit, not curl, but just kind of like lightly bump them. But I kind of want them a little bit jagged so they're not too straight. And you can even trim them shorter than this. I'll see what I want to do in just a moment. But I'm trying to decide, can we do no baby hair? I just feel like it looks, I'm not gonna say weird without baby hair. I'm just not used to it, and that's kind of what makes me want to do it, because I know the girls like no baby hair even with blonde. I just don't see how you guys can handle it. What do you think? Baby hair or no baby hair? Maybe let me melt the lace down. My kids just got home, or at least my daughter, Dakota, just got home. My son went on a birthday play date, his first ever, so I'm a little bit nervous, but like trying not to think about it or overthink about it. But we will be getting play-by-play because he has his phone and his Apple Watch. And my husband just met the friend's dad. So we shall see. Okay, so let this melt down a little bit and let's just straighten the hair out and just see if we can handle no baby hair. I don't know. Got a little bit of static because the hair is so, I feel like when hair is like healthy and fresh and there's no product on it, it gives like static vibes, like back in the day when I used to get my real hair pressed, washed and pressed. So we do have a little bit of static in it, but I don't want to add oil because even with the dry oil I get nervous because blonde hair tends to streak really easily. Right now I'm gonna do no baby hair. I am nervous. Should we keep it like this or should we add baby hair? Okay, so this is the look. I did decide to go with no baby hair and I actually love it. I just did homework with my baby girl. She's right here right now finishing up. And Cody, what do you think about my hair?
Cute.
Thank you, baby. So this one here again is like a blonde mix. I'll have the direct link as well as all the details on her down below. Let me know what you guys think. Are you a blonde girl? Do you have to have a dark root? Are you cool with it being blonde all the way to the root? Highlights, 613, ash blonde. What is your go-to look when it comes to blonde? I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go so we can head on to dance, because you guys know dance is life around here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.